Standard second, grammar. Third, chapter number 3, statements and questions. Read the sentence given below. My name is Nita. How old are you? In first sentence you see that sentence 1 says something. It ends with a full stop. It is called a statement. Here you can see this first sentence, in that the first letter is capital and in last they have put full stop. So when it ends with full stop, at that time we will say that it is a statement. And sentence 2, ask a question. Here in its last you see that here it is given question mark. So it ends with question mark. It is a question. One thing you have to remember, that the sentence, what if you want to find the it either it is a sentence or question, then you have to see the last, that here they have write first letter capital and in last they have put full stop. While they have done full stop, at that time you come to know that it is a statement. And here, how old are you? They have asked you one question. How old are you? Means they have asked you question. So from that you have to identify that either it is a statement or a question. So here in this first they have written a sentence always begins with a capital letter. As I told you that this first letter is capital, so always sentence begins with capital letter. A statement always ends with a full stop. Here I had told in the beginning only that while you are reading or any writing sentence or statement, at that time you have to put full stop in last. So already they have given second sentence that a statement always ends with a full stop. And in third, a question always ends with a question mark. Here you can see that they have asked one question, that how old are you, and after that they have put full question mark. So we come to know that this is a question. Rewrite the sentences, put a full stop at the end of each statement, put a question mark at the end of each question. Here again one trick I am showing you, that when it is a question, at that time it will start from WH or H. Again I am repeating that if any question in this exercise, if you will see, then wherever it begins with WH and H, at that time you have to think that it is a question. Here, she goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. That same sentence, but you have to put either full stop or question mark. So she goes to school every day is a statement. Because of that, in last we have put full stop. As I told you that always question begins with WH or H. So here, where do you live? So it begins with WH and they have put first capital. So it starts from WH, means you have to remember that when it begins with WH, it means in last it will come question mark. So where do you live means we have put full question mark. Here also WH question is there. So WHAT, what is the name of your school? So here also they are asking question. So in last you have to put question mark. Here you see the gardener waters the plants, means the gardener water the plants. After that you have to put full stop. Again, as I told you that it begins with WH. When will you come to my house? So it begins with WH, means what I told, you have to put full stop. So when will you come to my house? After that you have to put full stop. Backside exercise is there. Mother cooks food for us. So as I told you, we have to put full stop. Here also again it starts with W. So you have to put question mark. Will you play with me? So they are asking question. So you have to put question mark. Here stars shine at night. So it is a statement. So you have to put full stop. Same sentence you have to write in this answer and you have to put full stop or question mark up to 14 number. Same, from 1 to 14 number you have to find that either it is question mark or full stop. You have to read and after that you have to identify. As I told you that you have to use WH wherever it starts with WH, W and H. What is kept on the table? What means it begins with WH. So again we have to write same sentence and in last you have to put question mark. Birds build nest. Birds build nest. So after that we have to put full stop. How do birds build nest? So it's with, as I told you, it begins with H. So how, after that we have to put question mark. What do birds eat? What do birds eat? After that WH it begins, so we have to put question mark. The sun gives us light. So in the last we have to put full stop. But in last 14 number is not begin with WH, H or W. But here they have asked, do you have a pen? So just remember that in 14 number only they have asked question, do you have a pen? So it will come question mark. Again I am showing you whole exercise, so you, if you want to study from here, then also without book you can study. See, take a screenshot, and after that if you want to learn, then you can able to learn very easily.